When you think of a legendary Tyrannosaurus rex, you think of a 9-ton bone-crushing monster ruling the Cretaceous period. But what if I told you the terrifying tyrant actually started as a total mistake? Let's go to the video and see. Meet the Proceratosaurus. It was a small and it had a bizarre crest on its face, and for 100 years scientists had identified it completely wrong. This is the story of the untamed dinosaur plot twist. Proceratosaurus means before Ceratosaurus, and it lived 165 to 168 million years ago. The only fossil was found in England in the Jurassic period. Back then, the Europe wasn't dominated by massive giants. Instead, the forests were started by agile, fast, and clever predators. In 1910, workers digging in a reservoir uncovered a beautifully preserved skull. When it was discovered, the scientists thought the nose crest meant it was an early ancestor of the famous horned dinosaur Ceratosaurus. But a century later, CT scans of the skull revealed that the air spaces and tooth structures are unique to Tyrannosaurus. Proceratosaurus is actually one of the earliest known members of the Tyrannosauridae family, and it's a direct ancient cousin of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Discovered in 1910 by F. Louis Bradley during the excavation for a reservoir in England. To this day, we only have one single fossil. Despite having just a skull, it's one of the best preserved Middle Jurassic cerebral fossils in Europe, unlocking massive secrets about dinosaur evolution. Because we only have one fossil skull, we don't have to look closely at what survived. But if you look at the actual fossil, the only very front base of the crest near the snout remains intact, curving upward like a small horn. However, by looking at the bone structure and comparing it to its closest relatives, paleontologists have reconstructed what the full crest likely looked like. Because we have only one skull, paleontologists estimate its full body size by looking at its closest, more complete relatives. As you can see in the scale chart below, it wasn't a towering monster. If you stood right next to it, its head would only reach up to your breast or your lower chest, and it weighed about 30 to 40 kilograms. This proves that the Tyrannosaurus family didn't start at the top of the food chain. They spent tens of millions of years as small secondary predators under the shadow of larger Jurassic giants like Megalosaurus. Its bones were hollow and its legs were long and slender. It was built like a modern flightless bird, more like a ostrich or emu, meaning it was incredibly fast and nimble. And over the next 100 million years, it will grow into a 9-ton monstrous bone-crushing Tyrannosaurus. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in another nature video.